Hey guys, what's going on? Tony from Lone Wolf Paintball, Jake from Team Insanity, and today we're going to do a little comparison and versus video with the LV1.5 versus the Dye M2. So here we go. All right guys, first off we're going to start out, well at least I'm going to start out by saying I'm choosing the LV1.5 today. This is a $999.95 price point, so $1,000. Brand new LV1.5 from Planet Eclipse. What does yours cost?
About $1,400, right around there on sale. Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, so a little bit more money. So since yours
is more money, what's your first point as to why that gun would be better than mine?
Color-coded O-rings.
Color-coded O-rings. Well, you got all black O-rings on there. Where's the color coding?
I took the color-coded off that.
Well, why would you do that?
But here, look, blue.
Because they don't last as long?
No, because that's what I want on the out, but blue. And
he's got color-coded O-rings, but all the other O-rings are black besides the front tip that's blue.
Well, no, all the inside O-rings too. I mean, if you want me to tear it apart.
Why would you take those color-coded O-rings off? Did you have to rebuild it a bunch of times?
No, I haven't had to.
Or they don't last as long?
No, I haven't had to. Look, see, color-coded. Got
so
a little bit
brown
of red.
And a red.
No, that one's a little purple. That one
What's
just has some
furry
blue
stuff?
on it.
Is that?
That's just because I haven't cleaned the gun.
I don't know what that is, honestly, but so he pulls his bolt out like he's something.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Oh yeah, but you still have to do more to maintenance that. You still have have to take the ram out. Yeah.
I do. That's right. But my rammer only has 2 O-rings on it. How many O-rings does that have? About 16?
No, just probably like 3.
Yeah, I see 3 on the out, and then there's 2 in the inner can, and another 12 O-rings all day long. I pop my bolt out, lube my rammer, slide that bad boy back in.
But this is just as efficient as that.
How many pods can that shoot? I've done a review on this one. This one shoots 11 pods.
This one shoots about 10 to 11.
Really?
I'm willing to go slap a tank on it and go right now. I mean, if that's what you want to do.
I don't know, honestly. I don't think that shoots 10 or 11, but it could be.
But the question is, do you get 2 barrel backs? That's also not a shaft barrel because shaft barrels are absolute trash.
Why would you say such a thing?
Because the dye barrels are the best barrels out there on the market.
Oh, that's why you paid the extra $300 on top?
Exactly.
Yeah, to get your dye barrel.
Just basically the dye barrel, yes.
Yeah, that could be it.
Exactly.
So he paid an extra $300 to get his barrels. If you want that, pay the extra $300.
Yeah.
For sure.
But does your ASA move back and forth?
Does it move back and forth?
Yes.
No,
so
it's pretty well mounted in place right there.
No, but what I'm saying, can you adjust it? Can you move it
Oh,
backwards?
no. Oh, yes. I'm saying mine's mounted.
This is the only on-off ASA where you can actually adjust how far forward or how far back you want it to be.
Is that a plastic lever I see?
Nah, it's composite. So
so it's a composite, which it's hard plastic.
No, well, I mean, it's like made out of a Glock.
Check that one out. The ever so popular and very competitive Pops ASA.
But
all metal.
How do you charge your board, though?
How do I charge it? I put a 9-volt battery in like every other American.
So what happens if you get to the field and you don't have a 9-volt battery?
You buy one for $5. What happens if you don't have your charger?
Then
you don't have a charger.
No, I don't need to buy any batteries.
So what do you do?
So you have a couple years of buying batteries. So see, this board right here pays for itself because I have to
it charges itself?
Well, yes, wirelessly.
So there's
through
got to be
photosynthesis.
Oh, that's a total lie. There's no photosynthesis involved.
There's a little bit of photosynthesis involved.
I can just go to my local store, buy a good 9-volt battery. I think he has to have a charger to plug it into like a USB port.
No, you don't need to plug anything. It's wireless.
Oh, so you set it on your charging mat.
Yes.
But is your charging mat plugged into the wall?
No, photosynthesis.
So his charging mat's plugged into the wall. It's point null and void.
But
you still need a...
Can you take your board and have it speak to you when you get lonely?
No, I can't.
Exactly.
I don't get that lonely.
Exactly.
But honestly, that's what he needs.
Yeah,
he's a lonely boy.
This is the MOSAIR edition, which is what Dye is selling now. You can't really buy the normal edition, from my understanding. You can attach this to the Evoke system, and it speaks to you about everything that's going on with your gun. Can the LV1 do that?
No, it actually can't.
Does Planet Eclipse make a mask to match the colors of your gun?
No, they don't even make any masks as far as I'm aware.
Well, exactly.
We're not talking about masks. We're talking about guns.
But if you're trying
to look at that.
It does have to service because I haven't serviced, obviously because of the fuzzy stuff on the tip of the O-ring. But regardless, if I want to look ag, I tell Tony, hey man, I want that blue mask on your shelf, and I go over there and grab it, and it matches my M2. Can you do that with your...
I can't, but he's all about colors. It's not really all about that.
I mean, if you're really trying to look ag, like, H, you can definitely do that.
So really, let's get down to the efficiency. We talked earlier. This is proven to shoot 11. He says, I think mine can shoot 10 or 11,
10
possibly.
If you want to go test it, I mean, I'm willing to test it.
We could do that too.
Yeah,
we
I mean,
could
I'm definitely.
do that.
I have an awesome clamping lever feed neck that you just turn.
Yeah, where's your thumb screw, actually?
Right here.
No, that's not a thumb screw.
That is
that's
100% a thumb screw. Yours is just a little bit bigger, but I don't actually need it because I've you know.
It's got an Allen head to it. That's not a thumb screw.
Well, so does yours. Yours
does
definitely.
It? There's an Allen head there?
Yeah, that looks like an Allen head.
No, there's not. This kid just makes things up. He's from
No,
insanity.
it looks like an Allen. It looks like something or other going on.
Well,
how good is your trigger?
It comes stock with a blade trigger.
Well, I mean,
sick.
Yes, but
sick.
That's louder than mine. So,
how many set screws does your trigger have? 17. So when it falls apart on the field,
1, 2, no, just 3.
No.
1, 2, 3. Do I need to take you to school? No. 1, 2, 3. How many does yours have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
See, fully adjustable.
This
Sucker,
is fully
you fell
adjustable.
into that.
No,
fell
okay.
into that one. Fully adjustable.
Does your reg? Just kidding.
Does it what? Does it adjust? Yeah, it does.
No, does your
$1,000 gun?
Okay, so we're both. I was gonna say, does yours have the plus or minus?
Yes,
so you know
it does.
Which way
It tells
okay.
you.
You never know. Okay, so what's your ergonomics like though? I mean,
It's so it's disgusting.
It's
feels so good.
Do you have the ultralight grip frame on it? So it's ultralight and it fits in your hands. It's almost like a nice smooth baby's butt in your hands.
I mean, you would like that.
Just a little bit, but.
Yeah, it's super smooth in the back. It's real nice,
So,
hourglass shaped. It's beautiful.
Do you have an eye pipe though? So what happens if you chop a ball on that? Last time I checked,
what I do, I just pull that out. And
yeah, but don't you have to clean your eyes off if you have a bad chop? So you have to, you have to take apart your eye covers at the field and possibly lose a screw.
No, touche. But you're gonna pull your little plastic piece of crap eye pipe out.
No,
it's good shootout. Actually, you can shoot that eye pipe right out of the front of the gun.
Well, yeah, if you have the barrel off, but who goes out and shoots without a barrel on?
Someone that's not thinking like yourself.
Probably me, yes, but I haven't done that yet. No, so you squeegee. You don't even need to squeegee it because that front little fuzzy O-ring actually squeegees that eye pipe for you.
That's why it's fuzzy. That's why it's fuzzy.
A little bit.
So, poppet valve, a real nice
spool
new
valve,
addition.
smoother.
Well, technically, this is the LV1.5, so they did reintroduce that lever latch on the inside.
Yeah, so they just put a
super smooth, just like that.
Yeah, so they put a 0.5 on it, changed a little bit of milling, and charged you more money, so your LV1 value
No, they
dropped
brought
down.
it down because it's only $1,000 new.
Well,
it's not $1,500.
Yeah,
or $1,300.
so your $1,500 gun, once upon a time, is now $500 on the market.
No, it's brand new, so it's still.
Well,
$1,000.
that's brand new, but the second that you shoot it, your value is going to drop. This is going to hold its value a little bit better than
Says
that.
who? The Pawn Star gods?
No, not the Pawn Star
Who holds
gods.
value?
The BST.
Is there like a
I hold
value
the
holder for die? Is it specifically
Yes.
for them?
No, well, I mean,
No, there's.
But here's the thing. I mean, Plain Eclipse, the problem is that they come out with a gun every other month. I mean, since we've made this video, there's been about 2 more models of this LV1 actually
There
made.
hasn't, but I get his point. They do come out with new guns.
Yeah, I mean,
fairly
this
often.
they don't need to come out with a new one because it outshoots everything.
So tell me the difference real quick between the M2 and the M2 MOSAIR. What
the difference is the board. That's all the difference.
Oh, so they made a new gun, but
No,
just
they
the board.
they didn't make a new gun. They just put MOSAIR at the end of it. I mean, but they didn't charge any more money.
Okay, so like the LV1, the LV1.1, the LV1.5.
Yes,
still
it
the
just
same
changed.
platform?
It just changed the milling, but because now you have an LV1, it's not as good as the LV1.5 or the LV1.1. So now your resale dropped down. Hey, but I have a quick question for you, Tony.
You can ask.
How many tournaments have you won with that?
Well, this specific gun?
Or any LV1.1? When did you win a tournament with your last LV1.1?
I'd never won an actual tournament.
This one's one.
Would you win your local D5 with that?
Yes, I did.
Oh, you did? Good
I've
job.
also won the local D4 with that too.
Okay.
So I've
okay.
won I've won lots of tournaments with this. And Tony, have you won anything with the LV1.5 or?
No, with other Planet Eclipse guns, many tournaments.
Well,
yes.
yeah, with other, but not with the LV.
Not with this specific
That's because
gun,
you
no.
weren't using that gun. See, if you were using a different Planet Eclipse gun, like maybe a Geo, that'd be a little bit more comparable. But it's an LV1, you know.
Is that it?
Yeah, I mean,
Is that all you've got? You've won tournaments?
Yeah, well, you haven't won anything with that gun or any LV1.
No, because this is a brand new gun. That's your used. Your used gun.
Well, yeah, it's a. How much did you pay for that?
How much did you pay for that?
Let me tell you, probably a lot cheaper than you paid for that.
Let's get down to brass tacks to end this video up here. Poppet valve or spool valve, air transfer pipe.
Better ergonomics. It's blue. Can you get that gun in
The
blue?
kid likes blue. I'm sure you could.
Why do you have a macro line? What is that?
It's not a macro line. It's called an air transfer pipe.
Yeah.
Are you from 2002?
What if I want to hold my gun like this? Can you hold your... No, because you have an air transfer tube right there.
Just put my thumb in there and hold it real nice.
Well, yeah, but what if I want to put my thumb where the transfer tube is at? Oh, you can't do that.
No, you
I mean, exactly. And that's exactly where I want to hold it.
That's the $300 difference. That's why his is $300
That and the barrel. Don't forget
because of your thumb slot. Oh,
yes,
the barrel
exactly,
too.
exactly, yes. I mean, I want a barrel that actually shoots straight.
You done?
I mean, I'm pretty much
Hey,
done.
don't forget, his reg does adjust, though.
Yeah, my reg doesn't. I do have a really well adjustable LPR. How well do you need to adjust your LPR to make it smoother?
You can, for sure.
You can, but do you? I mean,
no, I don't need to because it's smooth.
Yes, but this
smooth.
can. Do you have the upgraded Billy Wing bolt to go with yours, or any upgraded bolt to go with yours?
Dropping die names on the Planet Eclipse. I mean, that doesn't even work like that.
Okay, so do you have any upgrade? See, die just includes the upgraded bolt. Do you get an upgraded bolt on yours?
Secure 5 bolt, yeah. Zic 3 rammer, boom.
I mean,
2 peas in a pod. See how smooth that is, bro? 2 peas in a pod right there. All right, well, overall,
obviously I won. I mean, yeah. I really want to go see. I want to see you go and shoot this and see how many pods you can get out of this.
I'll see you out in the parking lot, dude.
All right.
Thanks for watching, guys. Let me know in the comments below if you would like to see any of the Versus videos with me or with this dude, whatever it may be. Give the video a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching, guys.
Don't forget to sub to our channel.
And also, guys, put in the comments below, which gun do you prefer, or which gun or guy do you think won this battle today? LV1.5, MO2,
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 yeah.
SO2,
He doesn't even know what he's
MOSAIR.
facing up against right now.
Yeah, because it's just so heavenly.
Yeah, exactly.
So, thanks, guys.
Wait, aren't you sold out of them on the wall because you've sold out of them?
Yeah, those two, dude, totally sick. See you later.